How to delete a Ring app account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Ring app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the dashboard page. Now at the top left corner, you're gonna find three bars. Click on it. Head over to the option of Control Center. Now here you're gonna find different options. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of Manage Your Data. Now scroll down. If you want to download your data, you can click on this option of Request Data and go through the process. Now to delete your account, click on this option of Delete Data. Verify your identity first. Go ahead and type in your password. Then click on Continue. Now you will be receiving verification code in your phone number. Just type in that code over here, then click on Verify Code. Are you sure you want to delete your personal data and Ring account? This will delete your Ring account and videos in all of your Ring subscriptions and cause your Ring products and services to stop working. Click on Confirm Deletion. You requested to delete your personal data and Ring account. This may take up to 30 days to complete. Feel free to return to this page to check deletion status. Well, you have requested for the deletion of your account. So this way you can easily delete your Ring account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.